Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for dance studio scheduling, the full 2025 guide. First things first, open up UPBASE and log into your account. This is your first step because you need to access your personal dashboard to start scheduling. Once logged in, navigate to the scheduling section in the left-hand menu. Now this is where all the magic happens. Next up, click on New Class to start adding a session. The reason we do this is to populate your schedule with the different dance classes you offer. Fill in the class information, the name, the instructor, the date, and the time. Don't forget to save your changes. This helps us because it allows you to manage your classes better and provide accurate information to your students. Now that we've done that, let's move on to assigning students to the class. This is done by clicking on the Assign Students button next to the class. Search for the student's name in the search bar that pops up and click on Assign. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning students to classes helps keep track of who's attending what class and when. Lastly, to view your complete schedule, click on View Schedule on the top right corner. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The system is pulling together all the classes, the instructors, and the assigned students to give you a holistic view of your dance studio's schedule. And just like that, you've successfully used UPBASE for your dance studio scheduling. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the system that works best for you. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in.